Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. I have Cozyfy. I have wanted to open this box for a very long time. Not exactly sure why it's just now coming to fruition, but nevertheless, I have the full spring 2022 spoiler here. So I'm about to show you all the goods coming in the Cozyfy spring box. This box is so cute. It's so chic. I love the beautiful logo and branding. The back of it says, "Staying in is the new going out." And I have to say that has become a reality for quite a few of us. And I'm okay with it. Look at this beautiful ribbon. Everything is just so chic. So let me tell you a little bit about Cozyfy before we dive in. It is a quarterly subscription at $79. They do offer prepaid discounts, meaning if you were to purchase all 4 boxes, which would be an annual, you would pay less per box. I do have a coupon code for PINK10 to get 10% off your first box. And they do have free US shipping. In every Cozyfy box, you get a cozy outfit, cozy socks, some home items, and relaxing self-care items. So I would definitely label this box as a quarterly self-care box. Let's dive in and see what's in here. And then I want to share some things about how exchanging on sizing works. Do they do returns? How does sizing work? All of those good things. So on top we have, I can just see everything. And oh my gosh, it looks wonderful. This top on top is divine. Oh my gosh. You guys, this feels amazing. It's a beautiful cream cable knit top. It is long sleeve. It is deliciously soft. The length isn't real long. It looks like it has a really good crop, and it does have a hood on it. It is very weighty, very heavy. I ordered a size small. One of the things I love that Cozyfy does is you customize the box towards you. So you get to choose between the Cozy Classic or the Cozy Trendy. Note, for the spring box, poor Cozyfy has been caught up like so many other people in crazy supply chain. So they are only offering one style this season, but typically they have 2. As far back as I could see, they've always had 2. So this is an exception to the rule. But the beautiful thing is you choose your size. You choose your size of top, and you choose your size of bottom, and you choose your size of shoe. You do not have to select a one-size-fits-all set. You customize those pieces. Thank you for doing that, Cozyfy. That is needed more across boxes. I have been told by a few of my Ask the Pink Envelope peoples who subscribe to this box that sizing runs a little bit small, so to size up. I will try this on and we'll see how the small fits me. I do typically wear a small, but that was a tip that they shared. This is machine wash cold, delicate cycle, hang dry or tumble dry low. Very doable, practical washing instructions. Thank you for that. And then at the bottom, it's like a cable knit pair of biker shorts. Oh my gosh, great stretch. Look how stinking cute these are. Confession, I would wear these with an oversized blouse and a pair of boots or heels any given day. So I know these are like lounge nightwear, or they're supposed to be, but these would be so cute with a little black stiletto all dressed up. How wonderful are those? And so these are the socks that came in it. Just a very basic, elegant cream sock. They're super soft and fuzzy and adorable. Not overly tall. Thank you. I don't mind tall socks, but I just don't have the opportunity to wear super tall socks very often. But a crew sock I have the opportunity to wear all the time. Also, if I'm sleeping in socks, which is rare, but when I do, this is more doable. It's not so hot. And then we have Face Salve Hydrate by J&L Naturals. Apply a thin coat to damp skin, blot with towel if skin feels oily. Oh, how cool. So that's what this guy looks like. It says it's cruelty-free, sustainable, preservative-free, and vegan. A face salve. That sounds brilliant for these parts of your skin that get super, super dry, especially when well, I run around barefoot everywhere I go. This sounds great to rub this on like my heels, honestly, and then to put my socks on top to keep my heels from cracking open. I know it says face salve, and I totally am good with my face, but I have found that these usually work on more than just your face. And then we have what? Hand poured in small batches in Lancaster, PA. There we go. Had it upside down. 100% soy, Hamilton Wax number 6 Sunday Mimosa Candle. Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like a mimosa. Very strong, jump out at you scent. That's what it looks like. And it's a really pretty, just basic gold base. So it's really cute for decorating. Has a lid. Thank you for having a lid. All candles should have a lid. So there is this guy. Okay. I'm super impressed with my first box. This outfit is super, super cute. I do want to say, I think people hear Cozyfy and think that you're getting pajamas, and that is not at all what Cozyfy boasts. They say they have cozy, wonderful, self-care, lounging type clothes, and this outfit is spot on for perfect loungewear. And if you have stuck around this far, I am very happy to say Cozyfy is a giveaway box. If you want to enter to win your very own cozy box of clothes, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and tell me what you love about Cozyfy. If you are already a subscriber, go down below. Tell us what your experiences have been, what you are loving about them, what outfits you have enjoyed most. If you are brand new, tell us what you love about what you're seeing here. Maybe you're gonna subscribe for yourself or you wanna subscribe as a gift. I will draw one person from the comments below to give away an entire Cozyfy box. Fine print. You have to be over the age of 18 to enter the win, and you must live in the United States. Cozyfy, super awesome, fabulous, wonderful job. These clothes are outstanding, and I cannot wait to cozy up in them. If you guys have not already, please subscribe to the channel. Go hang out with us on the Facebook group. I got this box because the crew over at Ask the Pink Envelope on Facebook said, we are super interested in Cozyfy, but we're not seeing enough. We want you to touch the clothes, Sam, to try them on, to show it to us. So I went, asked Cozyfy for a box, and they sent it over. And if you want to be a part of that curation group that is helping us pick the boxes that show up here, go join us on Facebook. I have the URL down in the description below. I hope that you guys have an absolutely cozy day. And if you subscribed, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.